Welcome you all to this wonderful session on Microsoft Excel. So I'm Muthu Kumaran. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. For over 8 years, I'm training people in this advanced Excel. We as Excel Prodigy have trained more than 30,000 people in corporates and colleges, B schools. Now we have joined hands with Talentpepz for this insightful training on advanced Excel. What is Excel? As we all know, for more than 30 years, Excel is the phenomenal tool of data handling and everything, right? This is data world. Everywhere we are seeing data. Excel is the first, best, simple as well as advanced step to handle your data analysis in a proper way and getting a meaningful insights of your data. In this course, we will learn a lot about Excel. What is Excel? Where we have to use Excel? Why Excel? And how to use Excel? Yes, right? We can rock. Let's quickly move on to the topics.